स्वस्थ शरीर रुद्राक्ष प्रदान करता है, स्वस्थ मन स्फटिक प्रदान करता है और भोलेनाथ की शक्ति अमोघ महामृत्युंजय कवच के साथ इस त्रिशक्ति माला में हमने समाहित की है और आध्यात्मिक साधना सिद्धि केंद्र में इसे निर्मित ही नहीं बल्कि प्राण प्रतिष्ठित भी किया जा रहा है। इस त्रिशक्ति माला से आप अपने जीवन में सुख समृद्धि के साथ साथ स्वस्थ तन और स्वस्थ मन भी पा सकते हैं। आज के इस मानसिक तनाव के युग में आप अपने और अपने परिवार वालों के लिए इस त्रिशक्ति माला को मंगवाकर इसे धारण करिए और इसके बाद आप अपने जीवन में सुख शांति समृद्धि के साथ स्वस्थ तन और स्वस्थ मन भी पा सकते हैं। आप अपने और अपने परिवार के लिए इस माला को प्राप्त करने के लिए दिए गए नंबर पर संपर्क करके आप मंगवा सकते हैं।
Hello my dear friends, Namaskar, my name is Suresh Shribali. Welcome to Astro and Numero with Shribali, your one-stop destination for astrology and numerology. I am always available on this channel to solve your problems. This video is one short video of June horoscope for all 12 zodiac signs. June will be the new month, new chapter and new wishes for you all. May this month gives courage, strength, confidence and patience. I wish the month of June will be the great month. In June month we have on 2nd of June Mars will transit in Cancer. On 3rd of June Mercury will transit in Taurus. On 14th of June Sun will transit in Gemini. On 20th of June Jupiter retrograde and 22nd of June Venus will transit in Cancer. My dear friends, it's time to move on to the monthly zodiac prediction for all zodiac. Let's start with fire, that is Aries. You can buy or start planning for new house. There may be some finance problems in the middle of the month, so pay special attention. It would be good for those doing business in online marketing, digital goods and service, reselling, cosmetics and chemicals, etc. You will need to carry out a better financial planning so that financial troubles can be avoided. If you are studying in technical subjects, then in this month you will need to work more hard due to some difficult times. There will be interest towards the education of children which will give them success. Doing yoga and meditation means breathing exercise will be better for you in this period. This will keep you both mentally and physically healthy. Now let's move to Bull, that is Taurus. There is a possibility of success in business related work like art and craft, fashion designers, advertising agency, business outsourcing, etc. Time will be very good to buy a big house and a new vehicle. Luck will also support you, so the financial situation is likely to be strong in this month. Your financial condition will improve due to promotion. If you have applied for a job or change in your job, you will get success in it. As a result of your hard work, you will get support and appreciation of senior and boss at the workplace. You are likely to meet influential and social active persons. There may be pain in bones, problem related to bile or right shoulder, gastric, eye diseases may arise. Exercising regularly will be beneficial for you. Now let's move to twins, that is Gemini. Your expenses may increase and financial problems will be there and you may have to face some difficulties. Your wise decisions can make you profitable in business. There may be some differences with the business partner, but the matter will be resolved soon. You will be praised for the work done earlier, and your promotion salary will increase as an honor. There will be many golden opportunities to achieve your goal. You can search for a new job, or if you are thinking about transfer, then it is good for you. Students, Performance in education and in other field will be good. If you pay more attention to your studies, you can focus on tourism to stay away from daily complications and mental stress. Opponents can take unfair advantage at the workplace because of your ill health. Now let's move to CRAP, that is cancer. For those working in government contracts, printing press, chemicals, medicines, and paper industry, this month will be fine. There seems to be a strong possibility of promotion and you may also get salary hike. Your strong nature or bitter words can hurt someone's mind. If you are a student, especially in nursing, philosophy, economics, law, engineering, and mathematics, you may get successful results. Be aware of seasonal diseases. There may be diseases related to the stomach and digestive system. Some legal problems posed by enemies may have to be faced. Now let's move to Lion, that is Leo. There is a possibility of increase in business and new sources of income. If you buy new machinery, equipment, new house, or any new vehicle for business, then it will be auspicious. You may have to cut the benefits due to the government regulations and new laws. IT persons, IT professionals can get a chance to show their skills. There can be situation of relocation of people doing jobs. Students will feel less in their studies due to the lack of concentration. You should take some rest, otherwise your health may go down due to work pressure. Now let's move to Earth, that is Virgo. You will get profit in business and there is also a possibility of promotion in the field. Your respect in the field will increase and your hard work will also be appreciated. You may get a new job in your native country if you are trying for a new job. There may be quarrels with your partner. On the other hand, a situation of differences may also arise with your spouse or love partner. To avoid this kind of situation, you must maintain gentleness in your speech. Talking about family life, in June, a situation of disturbance may arise in the family. From a health point of view, these changes can prove to be harmful to you. You can also suffer from some allergies and skin rashes. The mental health disturbance will occur due to the deterioration in their health. Now let's move to scales, that is Libra. For business persons, you may have to go on a journey. This journey will prove to be very profitable. There are complete chances of getting success in art related activities. You will enhance your communication skill in business. Be cautious to cooperate with someone to complete your task on time at the workplace. Students are advised to stay away from negative personalities. You can also get tied up in a new relationship. Married natives can get special benefits from their in-laws. Your health will be weak, so take medicines if needed. Otherwise, it may cause problems. Now let's move to Scorpion, that is Scorpio. You may have some conflicts with your business partner, but soon the issues will resolve. Decisions made by your mind will yield benefits. You may have to face great difficulties in progress and earnings. Your skill and talent will be showcased in the office. People trying for jobs will get some good news. You will be happy seeing your children study process. Your personal and family life will see ups and downs. You will be surrounded by digestion and constipation related problems. Your health, especially physically or mentally both, will be affected, so do yoga and meditations. Now let's move to Archer, that is Sagittarius. Your business will be blessed with a big deal, resulting in good profit. Because of your positive thinking, you will come in contact with good and high profile people. Engineering or management students can expect good results. Students studying abroad for higher education are expected to face little issues. Result of government job exams will not be in your favor, so do more. You will spend time hanging out and having fun with the kids and family. You will get support from family and friends and will also get some good news. You will be healthier and more fit than before, which will make you happy and satisfied. You are advised to not travel in the south direction on Thursday. Even if you have to travel, eat jaggery and then leave your house. Now let's move to goat, that is Capricorn. On the economic front, there can be sudden money gains as well as expenses will also increase. Your work will be interrupted, due to which the mind will remain restless. Be calm, be positive, and find a solution to your problems. Avoid hasty tasks at the workplace. Hasty actions can get you into trouble. Online business will reach new heights. Students, artists, and players should not let the mental stress dominate themselves. You may deposit your money to control your expenses. Religious and spiritual thoughts will increase. Father's health may deteriorate. A new guest may arrive in your family. That is, you may get child happiness. You will need to pay special attention to your health. Now let's move to water. That is Aquarius. You will be willing to invest for betterment in the business. New business persons will be able to repay all their debts and their business will be totally settled. There will be a chance of promotion in the field. Your work may be appreciated. You will remain the center of attraction at work. Students who want to go out of their native place for higher education will get success. Your family will be your support system and pillar of strength during this time period. Misunderstandings that were going on in your love life will go away. Take special care of health as well because health problems can cause problems. Time is favorable for higher education and during this time your hard work will also pay off. You should take foods supplements containing vitamin B, C and iron should be consumed. Now let's move to fish, that is Pisces. You can get better benefits and the financial condition in business. You may face problems in the job. Keep pace with the big officers and associates. Excess of work and busyness can make you feel tired. Although time will change and you will feel relaxed. You can try to maintain a good relationship. At the workplace, you should attend any seminar, webinar related to career and job and read books. Students will have to pay special attention to study. If you are preparing for banking, railway exam, then you need to work hard. Those who are suffering from long-term diseases due to Jupiter's seventh vision diseases will have to take special care of themselves. Now I am suggesting some remedies for all of you which make your June more joyful. Early wakes up in the morning, you should look at the both of palms. It is believed that it gives wealth because goddess Lakshmi resides in the palms. Take water in a copper vessel and jaggery to it and offer this water to sun in the morning. Chant Gayatri Mantra and Mahamrityunjay Mantra daily at least 31 times. Offer perfume and garland of rose flowers to Hanumanji. My dear friends, I will always be available for you to solve your problems, but I would advise stay home, stay safe. If you have any personal or professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic and video conferencing appointment. You can also WhatsApp us on the given number or drop your queries in the comment box. And for any kind of astrological queries, you can visit www.grahokakhel.co.in. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Namaskar.